Thank you for calling the Muskingum County Treasurer's Office. Our office hours are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, closed all national holidays. If you know your party's extension, you may press it now. Otherwise, please select from this brief menu. For due date or method of payment regarding real estate or mobile home taxes, press 1. To leave a general message that will be returned on the next business day, press 2. For all other calls, press 3.
Muskingum County Treasurer's Office.
Yeah, hi. I'm not sure who I need to speak to. It's come to my attention that Todd Hixson or someone from this office is possibly looking to auction my property off, and I'm just trying to verify if that's true and why.
Okay. Did you say you got a letter or you heard about?
No, I didn't get a letter. I heard it was like a rumor, I guess, is what you could call it. And so I'm just trying to verify what's going on, because there seems to be a lot of fraud going on here in Muskingum County, and yeah, it's a little concerning. But yeah, I'm just wanting to get to the bottom of it. So if you could maybe explain to me, or give me to someone who can explain to me why it is that someone is looking to auction off my property, or essentially steal it from me.
Okay. What is your property address?
It is located at 469 White Oak Avenue, Zanesville, Ohio, 43701. Well, that's the mailing address.
And your name?
Brandon, and I'm the beneficiary.
I see nothing about that. Your taxes are paid. Is that the only property you have?
Yes. Okay. Has Mr. Hixson been involved with any kind of processes or procedures within the court? Do you see any records of that within the county court?
I can't see any of that.
Okay. So if he had filed something with the county court on behalf of the treasurer's office in his position, shouldn't that show up in your guys' records?
If your property was up for county foreclosure, the prosecutor would file stuff with the court. And I don't see any county foreclosures on here. I don't see any in the notes. I don't see any attachments where they've sent you anything. And your taxes are paid.
Interesting. Okay. And just to verify, if you could humor me, do you know today's date?
Today's the 14th of July.
Okay. 2022, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, I know that sounds odd. You probably don't get that question very often, but just for posterity's sake, for the record, I guess. Okay, yeah. Like I said, I'm a little confused because I'm hearing rumors, and then I'm seeing information that leads me to believe that Mr. Hixson is performing actions, possibly attempting to I don't know, claim interest on this property, or I'm not sure exactly what the context is, but the fact that you guys don't have any record of it there at your guys' office is a little concerning, because there's records of these actions in other places. So I'm not quite sure why the discrepancy, because I mean,
where are their records at?
Well, I'm told, I haven't seen them myself. That's another reason why I called you guys directly. And I was hoping I could talk to Mr. Hixson directly to get to the bottom of this. And if he is available, I'd be thrilled to be able to speak to him directly.
He's not in right now.
Okay. So yeah, it's come to my attention, like I stated, that there might possibly be some actions filed in the court or something regarding this, an attempt to steal the property. The property's already been paid for. It was paid for through the initial process when the negotiable instrument was created. When I endorsed it, sealed it with my endorsement. That's what the financial institution accepted for value for the amount that was agreed upon for the property of $105,000. So at that point, once the financial institution accepted the negotiable instrument that I created with my endorsement, the property was paid for, and it's come to my attention that there has been fraud perpetrated in creating a false agreement that the financial institution loaned some money for the property to be purchased. That's nonsense. That's all come to my attention. I've been attempting to address this directly with these particular corporations, but they don't want to pay attention. And now, like I said, it's come to my attention by way of rumor that the county may be involved in some type of collusion in attempting to steal this property out from underneath me. And I'm just wanting to get. I don't know if that's the case, but that's the way it's been presented to me. And so, like I said, I'm attempting to verify what the facts are, so that way I'm not just I don't want to believe rumors. I want to know what the truth is. And so that's why I was hoping somebody could explain to me what is exactly going on, and if what I'm being told is in fact true. Because I mean, there's so much.
I don't see any of that, and if anything was filed with the county court, that would be Dennis Dove, the prosecutor, that would file with them if they were going to foreclose on any property.
But would they? I don't know if you can answer this. Would they file on behalf of Mr. Hixson? Because
I believe they do it together, but Dennis is the one who would file the paperwork.
I'm sorry, who was that? You said Dennis?
Dennis Dove.
Okay, I'm not sure.
He works in the prosecutor's office.
Oh, okay. Is he like one of the assistant prosecutors or something?
Yes.
Okay. And you said Dennis Dove? Is that D-O-V-E?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. I hadn't heard that name before, so that's new to me. I'll have to do a little bit of research and see if I can figure out if he
I can give you a phone number to his office.
Oh, that's okay. I'll come up if I need it. I'll get in contact directly. I don't know if he's necessarily a part of this, like I said, and I don't want to just bother a bunch of people about stuff that if they don't have anything to do with it. So if it comes up and I need to reach out to him, I'll do that. And I appreciate you offering. At this point, what I'm being told is that Todd A. Hixson, if I think I pronounced his name right. Mr. Hixson's name is on the paperwork as if he filed it with the court. This is what I'm being informed of. And so, like I said, instead of believing rumors, I just want to get to the bottom of it. So if Mr. Hixson could possibly reach out to me and let me know what exactly is going on, and if he is in fact part of this or doing any of these actions, performing any of these actions, I would appreciate it. Maybe he could explain to me why. If he's too busy to do.
Take your name and number down.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Brandon.
Yep.
But I can have him give you a call.
That would be great. And if if he happens to be tied up and can't, he doesn't have the time to necessarily make a phone call, he could also email me as well, if that's more convenient. Sometimes it's easier just to type a quick email or what have you. I know how things can get hectic sometimes in day-to-day life, so whichever's more convenient for him. But again, yeah, my name is Brandon, Brandon. Let's see, you got the property location.
What's the last name?
That would be the last name of the trust, the all capital letter name, Killoran. That's separate. I'm not the trust. I'm the living man. It's separate. Most people don't understand that.
Oh, this is a trust?
I'll try to make it brief. If you don't, it sounds like you don't understand the concept. So there's the all capital letter name, right? That's on like driver's licenses, legal documents. I'm trying to think of what else off the top of my head. Passports. The all capital letter name is the name of the trust that's created when we are born and we're quote unquote birthed. The creation of the birth certificate. There's a trust that's created at that point based on the all capital letter name that is used, so that way we can conduct business. This goes back to 1933, the adjustment to the Emergency Banking Relief Act. I think that's what's called. Emergency Banking Act. It's something like that. Trading with the Enemy Act. There were some adjustments made in the government back then. They did away with the gold standard. They brought in the birth certificate system, and that collateralized the people against the debt of the U.S. Rather than the gold in the vaults. And then so they created these trust accounts. That way we could utilize the trust accounts to conduct business by way of using what's called negotiable instruments. And just, again, real brief, negotiable instruments are anything like checks, money orders, even cash, what we call cash or money. Those are just negotiable instruments. They're just pieces of paper with an amount and 8 essential elements that are required for it to be a negotiable instrument that we then accept in exchange for value, the value on it. It's like a $20 bill. We accept it's $20. It's worth $20. So these are all negotiable instruments, and this is the same thing as I think I mentioned to you throughout the process of the purchasing of the property. I created a negotiable instrument for the amount worth the amount of $105,000 when the financial institution accepted it from me, and that's what actually paid for the property. But without getting too far off into that, so I think I am kind of getting off topic. Do you have any questions, or I don't want to give you too much information?
What's a good phone number for you?
Let's see, 740-647-2521. And if email is more convenient, I can be emailed at KILO period, the number 7, at live.com, live spelled LIVE.
Said KILO.7@live.com.
That's it.
Okay, I will leave this for him.
Excellent. Yeah, just let him know either way. But as soon as possible, if he could just reach out to me and give me an explanation of what's going on, or if nothing's going on, if he's not even aware of anything, then that's definitely concerning, because I need to know that, because somebody is doing something on his behalf if he's not aware of it. That's extremely concerning. So, anyways, yeah, I appreciate your time. And do you have any other questions for me before I let you go?
Yep, that's it.
All right. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day.
Thanks. You too.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.